What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you can make baby hairs on your wigs. Right here I'm just parting out where I want my baby hairs to lay. How I get this part is you make a half C shape in the wig, where pretty much where you want your baby hairs to lay at, and you just go ahead and part that out. And right here I'm just pretty much hot combing it down so that it can be separated from the rest of the hair. Alright, so once you are done with that step, you're going to take your scissors and you want to cut in like a slant angle. Try to avoid cutting straight across so that your baby hairs can kind of go in the direction where you want them to lay. And if you can, if possible, make sure you cut down. Just don't cut down too far down, but just cut enough to where if you do make a mistake or you cut too much or you need to cut some off, you'll have that room to, correct your error. So what I'm doing here, I'm just taking my mousse, my Suave mousse, and I'm going to dab my spoolie into this. This is a new technique that I do use. Instead of using the comb, I just use a spoolie because it makes the baby hairs look way better. And I just go ahead and smooth that in. I make sure that I dab as much as possible of the mousse that you need. The more the better it lays. And just when you're swooping your baby hairs, you want to make sure that you're smoothing it out at the same time so that it lays. Don't worry about messing up and having to do it over and over again. Making baby hairs truly is a technique. It took me about 5 or 6 times, probably even 7, in order for me to get these, baby hairs in and ready to go. Just take your time, don't rush it, and make sure you use as much as mousse as possible. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time.